Hey there, welcome back. Is your skin not prepared for the big event you have to attend soon? What to do when this happens? It can be overwhelming to see your hair not behaving itself, your skin all parched, and you have not even started with essential skincare. Don't worry, I'm guessing you have some time before you greet the world. Let's get started. Prepping your skin for the event isn't going to be that difficult. Here are a few sneaky last-minute beauty tricks or two to amp your look just a titch. Drink lots and lots of water. Before you add the bad stuff, sweets and fatty food, do some good stuff. For a few days leading up to the party season, drink a minimum of 3 liters of water. Every single day. I know it sounds much, but the payoff is totally worth it. You are not only cleaning your insides, your skin will clear up and glow. It couldn't get any easier. Get your beauty sleep. Before the crazy late nights begin, clock in some extra zizz. Give your body enough rest to tide through the excess. And of course, more sleep means fresher looking skin. It's a win-win. Tip: switch to a silk pillowcase. Cotton absorbs moisture and dries out the skin and hair, while silk leaves it intact. Use a face scrub for an instant glow. If you want your skin to really glow, you need to get rid of all the dullness. Scrub your skin after cleansing it every night leading up to the party. Just don't get over-enthusiastic. Take it slow and gentle. Otherwise, you will be left with super sensitive, raw skin that not only looks blotchy, but actually hurts. Not exactly the look you're trying to achieve. Use the finest, tiniest beads possible. Scrub you can get your hands on. Massage thoroughly on your skin in tiny circles. Don't press too hard or tug. You don't want to make your skin sag. When your skin starts to feel smooth and soft, stop immediately. You're done. Detox with some steam. Whatever additional gunk is left, get it out of your pores but steaming your skin. Steam opens your pores and releases the toxins while also making your skin better absorb the products that will follow. Just don't steam for more than a minute. It may seem relaxing and soothing, but your skin doesn't need that much heat. In fact, it can lead to broken capillaries. So remember that less is more. Tip: for an unmatched glow, try a facial tea steam. Simply boil a pan of water over a stove. Add green tea leaves, or any herbal tea of your choice, and cover your head with a towel as you take in the steam. The steam will unclog your pores, while the oils released from the herbs will soften your skin. Face mask to the rescue. A mask does in minutes what would otherwise take days to achieve. It works doubly hard to nurture and repair your skin almost instantly. 1 week before the festivities start, masking daily will dramatically improve the quality of your skin. If your skin is oily, use a clay mask to remove the extra oil. If you suffer from acne, use a mask with Fuller's Earth or tea tree oil. If you have dry or normal skin, use a hydrating sheet mask to give it a boost of moisture. Supercharge with serum moisturizer. A serum is super concentrated with active ingredients that improve your skin, while a moisturizer nourishes and seals in the goodness. When used together morning and evening, the results are far superior than if you use just one or the other. So use them in tandem to achieve the plump, glowing skin you desire. Get your eyebrows done. Eyebrows really make a difference when it comes to your look. It can make you look fresh and rested or unkempt and tired. So don't be lazy about them. Remove strays, but keep your natural shape intact. Trim hair that's too long. With the thick eyebrow trending, you don't want to remove too much. Instead, it may be time to add more. Using a brow pencil or mascara that matches your eyebrows perfectly, fill in the gaps. Deep condition your hair. Condition your hair with a thick conditioning hair mask. Starting from ears down, gently smoothen the mask till your ends. Use your thumb and index finger to slowly emulsify the conditioner so that it penetrates the hair cuticle better. Take an extra bit of conditioner and add an extra layer on the tips. Leave on the mask for 10 minutes at least. Rinse off the conditioner with tepid water. Not hot, not cold. The temperature of water should be slightly more than room temperature. Tip: the night before the party, leave the deep conditioning mask on all night. Just put on a shower cap and sleep on it. Rinse off in the morning and watch your hair turn into silk. Groom yourself. Whatever your preferred method of hair removal, always exfoliate with a body scrub before you remove your hair. This helps you get the best, even the tiniest hair out, and helps prevent ingrown hair too. And once you've removed all the hair, apply non-greasy moisturizer containing either shea butter or aloe gel to soothe skin and prevent any bumps. Tip: if you're shaving, always use a brand new blade for the best, cleanest, smoothest shave ever. Keep your nails neat. So you don't have the time or can't get a last-minute manicure appointment, don't fret. Cut your nails short and file them in a neat square shape. Then just coat them with a clear polish. Finally, put on that killer cocktail ring and you're set. Get radiant skin on the fly with these last-minute hacks.